computer. Yes, welcome to everyone. Thank you for your precious time on this festival day. And I want to introduce this extremely advanced machine, which has got 24 knobs and accurate potency. You know, in your the big dial, which has so many. Some people, they feel not convenient to set the particular potency because of the some technical constraints to easy operation. We did the single dial potentizer, but originally, or you can say many people, they prefer these types of potentizer. And in this one, we can set any number, Grabovoi numbers. Grabovoi numbers are 19 in numbers, 11, 19, and there
Yes,
are
sir.
23, 24 numbers we get.
Yes, sir. Even Lloyd Mayer number.
Even Lord Mayer numbers.
Yes, sir.
All that number can be set into this machine. Earlier, I made another machine where you can, Delaware and the coupon slabs also can be set, but they were less in number. So that is a one big problem. And here, we have, I already manufactured one 3-card machine. So it can even equivalent to that also. And see, we have a very beautiful card slot also in this. Means very easily detectable. We have to insert the card here, insert card. So it is a all-in-one perfect machine for research level and as well as even basic level also. Means इससे बढ़िया कभी बना नहीं है. That I can tell you. And it has got a different potency ranges also. We'll discuss one by one, but I am just telling the kubia of this machine, beauty of this machine, what all it can do. So many people are there is a many people there is a basic function. What is a basic function? Set a number, set the potency, and we will explain one by one because we assume that you don't know anything about this machine. So like that, we will take that and we will explain. Okay. So what are the switches here? As it is same base rate is already there. Base 44 and base 336. And I already told you, even though base 44 and 336 is there, you can use a base 10 also. Because when a card is divided into 44 division, it becomes base 44. When a card divided into 10 parts, equal part, that time it becomes a base 10. And base 336 is entirely derived on the numerical code. But if you find out your own rate of any substance, that time we can convert it into base 1008. In this whole world, who has, I only started it first, that 1008, and now whole world is repeating 1008 without knowing what it is. But now here we can definitely say when we are deriving our own rate, that time you can convert into base 1008. That is the refined version of 336. Means when you are setting at 336 and you are deriving the rate, that time that means that is base 1008, a refined version of 336. So when you keep into the 44, you get a base 44 and a base 10. When you set into base 336, you get base 336 and 1008. Okay. So here, next button is digital version. Here, Mantra 6 is a really, and because, while creating, I use the logic for creating the geometrical pattern. It is already mentioned in the our guru's website, Jan Kambe's website. They have mentioned what are the ways we can generate the geometric code. So I took one of them and converted into the geometrical pattern and used in a digital format. Why this digital thing is used? Because nowadays everybody, they are fans of digital. Okay, they want digital. They want to easy their job. Okay, for that reason, for example, earlier times with the cards also, now you can make the CC combos. CC combos, for making one CC combo, at least it used to take 6 hours, because more than 50, 60, 100, because suppose you want to make a 8.3, you have to add 8.1 also. Likewise, like a female tonic is 8.1, 8.3 is the breast problems. So if in that one, 8.1 is also used. So likewise, it becomes a huge big task, and by chance, by adding, either you make a mistake in potency or make a mistake in the dial setting, or you can say card inserting, again whole 6 घंटे का काम जो है बर्बाद हो जाएगा. So to avoid all this, we have used the uh, digital, because many people are finding very useful, because it is all thanks to my Almighty, thanks to my Guru, thanks to everyone. Every means all you appreciator also, आपने इतना रिसर्च करके उसको यूज करके मुझे बताया, फीडबैक दिया. So that is very very important. So many people, they are surviving only on 2.1 and 2.3, and they are enjoying, means we don't know what to give. It is all spiritual transformation into a water or a sugar pills. So we are fortunate that we have started the our Douglas Therapy Foundation, mainly having this idea of transforming the thoughts into water and the sugar pills. Okay. So now digital, that second point is digital, that is very important, and they're giving wonderful result, and we are going to expand it in future also, like making many combination. But once what I thought is giving more choice is very confusing. आपको थोड़ा ही choice है, like biochemic salts. We have only 12 salts, and then managing is very easy. And homeopathy, we have around 5,000 remedies. Very difficult for a week. Only one disease, we get a 50, 60 remedies. Of course, we have to go through all the systematic way of case taking, and then we can conclude it by taking into thermals, and whether we feel chill or hot. Based on that, we will decide the remedy. Okay. So now coming to the digital, we have done it digitally. So we will add going forward. So we have added now all CC combos are added. All 644 cards, whatever we are giving, that is added in the digital format. Digitally, we are able to generate the effect within 4 seconds. Either we will flicker a little bit and then that is gone. है ना? Shall we take, इधर देखता हूं इसके अंदर कुछ है या अगर है तो इधर okay. Let me see if anything is there on the Okay. Yes, mantra 5 is there for both are visible now. My screen is also visible and machine is also visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, machine is in the small portion invisible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we are switching on the mantra. We have to switch on the digital. Now, have you seen that there was a slight flicker in this one? Now we'll go for some example like NM. Yeah, my screen resolution is not correctly set. So it is coming. We have to set the screen resolution to adjust to this. You see, just watch on that digital green light. Okay. Whenever I am adding bone eye, so bone eye, what happened? You can't even imagine it has done. It has been done within a fraction of second. There is a background. There is a terminal. Terminal. It is called as a terminal. When you say this, bone eye NM3 bone eye 200, that is finished within fraction of second. समटाइम आपको बहुत डाउट होने लगता है कि अरे इतना फास्ट हो गया क्या, काम कर रहा है कि नहीं. ओके, वी विल सी अनदर एग्जांपल. ब्रेन टिश्यू सॉल्ट done. Brain tissue salt done, and you will be able to see this is base 336 rate. So this rate also, that is repeated how many times? I think 256 times, I think so. So that minute earlier I was given more, and the CC combo, it was taking a lot of time. So I had reduced it. Even once only was sufficient, but I added around 256. I think so. You can appreciate why I have done this combos. Combos only digital initially I invented, or you can say used only because of making CC combos. And CC combos are so wonderful. You can see, I don't know whether this is because this is a mantra 5. There might be some bugs, errors. I have done now mantra 7. This mantra 7 I can just transfer through the WhatsApp and you can install it. Okay. And almost my all modern machines are excuse me, all are incorporated with the 2.1, that is CC 2.1. And this technology, I got it from the one buyback machine, but there was entirely working on a different principle. But I also wanted to have I took a guidelines from my guru in the field of that Vibrionics machine. So, and let us see how 2.1 I added. You just see that digital LED light. In between it flickers. Whenever it flickers, here it will show that one is completed. See both the parallelly. Whenever it is coming, that is ending, there you will get the flicker. Means when it is completed, that this digital is completed, that time it will flicker. During that time, you no need to set anything, or you can see because all 336 can be set at 3 and potency. When I come to potency, it's really not direct. We have to select many things here. So I will tell you when imprinting OEM system is coming, that is working on a different or base 10 rates or base 44 rates I have added into base 44 rates I have added into the system. So then when other base 336 comes, it will be having the base 336 rate. And something, because everything, I improvise on myself. So for that reason only, from mantra 1 to we have reached to mantra 7. Probably we will add many more things and we will go further also. So you understood now? So it will come one after the other, one after the other. So then finally it says it is done. And in the same time, you see this white, again it will become a black. Okay. And you want to make the CC combos with the individually also that we can do, but who does individually? If we give everything bana ke de diya, to why they go back? Not necessary, right? So they can just make a CC combos like this. So the functions about, because what all it can do other than the making CC combos, what all it can do? See, if you make write some name, okay, after writing, you can transfer the thoughts to directly to the person. हाँ? ये तो बहुत अजीब लगता है ना कि we can transfer the thoughts to any person in a digital format. Actually, आपको पता है dogs understand English, Hindi और Urdu or what language? Dog doesn't understand any language.
Only vibranic language.
Yes, it is Vibrionic language. That is the intention. और it looks into your eyes. ये मेरे को मारने के लिए आया है या क्या प्यार करने के लिए आया? जैसे प्यार करने के लिए आया बोले तो ये will do उसका है ना टेल को हिलाएगा. Means okay, friendly, like that. So like that, even when animals can understand our feeling, so here we can type the different affirmations, and you can, there are two ways you with this affirmation. So you can, what you can do, you can copy and paste the same thing so that it will like that. Like that, you can make the affirmation, and you should be, whenever you are transferring to the person, you should be in eye level. I means I am fit, I am healthy. Like that, you should program. Not you are fit, you are healthy. Then वो सोचेगा दूसरे का, जब when it is goes to him, he thinks that somebody is healthy, not himself.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so
So
like
it
that,
is
I am healthy.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
The I represents himself of the name who has.
yeah, like that. So what this one, if you by using these affirmation, you want to make a remedy, then what you have to do? You have to press. See, earlier I made a imprint 1 to 4 because my earlier clock speed was very low. It was taking lot of time. So anyway, first 4 is there. We can use this imprint first 4. Same time, in the out disk here, we can keep the glass of water. Glass of water. Do you have the glass of water? Don't know. Yes. Okay. We can place the glass of water there. I put a beaker, small beaker. Then press 1 to 4. And you will see that light is glowing. it will glow based on the speed of the clock speed. Okay, there is some error in this. So it will come because it is a mantra 5. So I'll see if anything is here available. Yeah, I'll open the new this one program. Here also mantra 5 only. So okay. Anyway, you have understood, no? So how we can transfer the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
so you'll see because I have in this laptop I have not added the latest version of mantra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it is working.
Yes,
So
sir.
you see in between that LED is flickering. Okay.
Mm.
That many times it is moving. It is going fast and fast and fast. So it is working. Okay. So intentions can be converted into a remedy or it can be transferred directly to the person. How, suppose you want to make in distance healing, what happens? When you are making the remedy, we are using it for only one click. Yeah, no, just like that, when I'm pressing here, see, it becomes the remedy will become within 1.5 minutes, 1 minute. It takes a little bit more time because this machine from recent past, like just I have added along with the solfeggio frequency. Solfeggio frequency, all know that it affects takes care of our all emotions are connected to the each chakra. Then I thought, why not to add 9 planet frequencies also? So because imbalance of this 9, like Navagraha, you are telling as good as Navagraha Stotram. Reciting Navagraha Stotram. So all 9 planets are, if they are balanced, no? Balanced, then there will not be any problem. So any remedy you make, it will be taking all the 7 chakras and 9 planet frequency and putting into the medicine. Means it is a by default it will come. Okay. So it will take more time. So anyway, that light is still glowing. Now it is gone. Means that remedy is made by the manual. But during that time only, when you are putting into the digital, either the laptop you are connected with that or power supply only, it will work. If you want to make, you don't have any laptop, that time you can use this, the USB connector, put it to any good quality, your what you call your mobile
Adapter.
charger. So it will work independently. Independently, without the laptop. Okay. So what all we can do, just I'll recap because I'm going to close this digital version. What all we can do, we can control complete that the total machine through this. Copy from input output, neutralize. So in neutralizing here, in manually, you know how to do that. I will come to the point. I will tell every point today. Okay, so I will not miss. So that here we came to know that how to transfer the affirmation And how to transmit? While transmitting, we have to use the transmit button. And when you want to make a synthetic remedy or any you want to write the find out the rate for anything. For example, rose. You can write the red rose. And you can write many things, whatever you want to, that comes into your mind. Then that you, when you click this button, you will get a number. And this advantage of this machine is that even though there is a zero, you can take this. But setting should be the different. In other machine, it is not possible. In this machine, it is possible because there are so many coupon labs numbers and Lord Mean numbers, Graboy numbers, they contain zero in between. In that one, what you have to do, set these knobs to KM. Set this knob to KM. There is a KM here.
So what does mean, sir, KM?
I know, just I wanted to mention some potencies rates. So I use the KM. K means 1000 and one is M is million, 1000 million.
Okay.
Okay. But here you can use this. For this also can be set for using the any other code other than the Malcolm records. Okay. Instead of that, I think so you can use the MM. MM is better. Yes. When you set to MM, that is far better. You set to MM and MM, KM both comes to the same category. So you can use the MM. And what you have to do, use the same number here, digit. What was the number? 4,
4,
4, 3,
006.
006. Yes. 006. Okay. That is done. Means any number in this world can be set to this one. And another thing, there is one more. If any number has got a zeros at the last, let us see, is there any, we get a zero, yes. Any number zeros at the last, what you have to do? You have to use from the last in this one. Like, all coupon labs, those made in Canada machines, they are setting in a different way. So, make it to 0. Start from here. Like, 0, keep it to 0. Second is 5. Last but 1. Again 8. 8 and 2. Again 8. 0. 1. So, you can do like this. 1, 0, 8, 2, 8, 5, 0. Like that, all coupon labs rate can be set in this way by a reverse order. So that, see, what is it actually? ये क्या है? ये ऐसा क्यों है? It is nothing but a communicating to the subconscious mind and the universal consciousness. आपको क्या चाहिए वो clearly पता होना चाहिए. And potency, I will just come just now. I will tell you about potency just after this. So now let us know how to set the dial setting. If suppose any zeros are there at the end, so you have to start from the last knob. Or you can say by default you can do it in the last because all coupon labs are, you just go through the coupon labs, the rate book and the instruction. They say start from the last digit. So here also I advise you start from the last digit if you are using the coupon labs rates. Okay, by default. And earlier what used to do, we used to douse until we get a no zeros in between. Yeah, why I'm telling you this machine is entirely magnificent actually, and it is got a lot of room for experiment and setting the different you can say any Sriramji Lord Beer number you can tell one any number.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Sir. Let me make the coupon labs 0. And there are some this number. What are those? Yes. Some Delaware number they are starting with the 20, 30, 40, 60 like that. Means entire the all data can be set in this machine. It can't say no, it will not possible, you will never
Sir.
say no because yes sir.
Sir, sir, can I tell, sir?
Yes sir, yes.
Sir, this is the Lab MK number for melatonin increase.
Okay.
5269
5269
82
82
687.
687. Yeah. So rest all to 0. We have set the Lord Mayor number means and potential will come just because it is the same rule follows here. All the commands and all the in this thing they follow 10M potency. What is the number for 10M potency? We will see here. 10M potency is potency chart. Yes. This potency chart we have to use. And at the same time, I will tell about potencies also. Now, all commands should be in what potency? You all, whatever the standard, that goes same. 10M. What is the 10M number? 699. In this one, how we set? 6 first 6 9 9. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
It is 3 digit. 699. This Lord Mayor number increase serotonin. What is that? Sriramji, what is the Lord Mayor numbers? Why it is used? What is the number?
Sir, increasing of melatonin.
Melatonin. This is a very good hormone, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have already set Lord Mayor number and melatonin, and I'll press this button.
Yes, sir. It is to increase the melatonin in our body.
Yeah, increase the melatonin in our body.
Yes, sir.
So could you please increase the screen of the device?
Screen of the device. Okay, fine. I'll do the other ways. Now, is it more now?
No, so that is the smaller screen and the chart is the larger screen.
Madam, you can just slide away the smarter screen. And there is a cursor point is there in the Zoom.
So slide the chart screen and
So just to move the cursor on the
drag it to the main screen.
Just drag it, madam.
okay. Thank you.
Now you will get a bigger screen. Either this or that.
Yes. Now here we have another this one, that task that make sure that all are zero after making the remedy.
Hmm.
Other than the, let me check what are the things are possible here. Okay.
Sir, when we make homeo remedy, we can directly use the 6x like that.
Yes, I will tell you about that. I will tell you about that now.
Hmm.
So now this remedy is made. I think so. This is a very good hormone. I let me take once and if
Yes, sir.
see.
Please.
Okay, I'll take now I'll make something in 6x potency. It's not 6x, 3x because the setting will
Yes.
be very critical.
Hmm.
You tell me any remedy with 3x.
Sir, tissue salt.
3x, 3 tissue salt you can do. So let us see in the 3x potency. 3x potency is 67. How do you set the 67? I have taken it purposely with some purpose. So
Sir, my question is
067, you have to convert it into 3 digit.
yes.
You have to
Sir,
convert it into 3 digit.
okay.
Yes.
Sir, my question is, can we make directly 6x potency in a single knob like that?
No,
We have to use?
we are using 3 knobs here and is more
Uh,
accurate.
okay, so we have to refer this table
Yes, we have to refer this table.
for all purpose.
All potency purpose, you have to use this table only.
Okay.
We want to make a remedy in X potency, C potency, LM potency.
Sir,
Like
so
that.
why I asked this, sir? You have made this knob for C, X, and like that. So if you put X and directly,
Yes. Correct. You are right. We have to use the, now for X, we have to use this X potency. X.
X one is the 6 is okay, sir.
No.
Ah,
We have to use this
yes,
knob
sir.
also.
Ah,
When you set to X potency, because in your some machine, older machine, we have a changeover switcher from
yes.
LM
C to
potency to
C.
X potency, C potency. But some
Yes,
are
sir.
automatic. So like that.
And now here, ah,
So we are set to X potency. Then you have to see more the clarity of mind, what you want, the more will be the result.
okay.
So 0,
Hmm.
what is the 6x potency?
067.
7. So 0 and 6 and 7.
Okay.
0, 6 and 7 when you are setting, it is 3x potency.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, everything like LM potency, LM again you have to change the LM potency.
And use the LM sheet.
Yes, LM sheet. And likewise, another this thing is F potencies are like this only. F potencies are also called as a KOR potencies, KOR potencies.
Yes, sir.
Because here Sri Ramji is using and like Raghavendra ji using, everybody is using with a different level.
Yes, sir.
I should give this machine for every level. Someone expert in homeopathy person, they want to use this machine. Then ये बोलेगा मेरे को LM potency चाहिए. I want to make LM only. There are some people, they want to make their potencies in the KM potency. KM potency means 1000 million. Means what it is? The difference between one potency and the how much dilute you want. Generally, no used. It is used for future and research people only. These the other knobs they are used for research purpose only. Probably because one from the Chandigarh, that lady, she wanted to have the very high potencies. I was not having any system that time. I made a double You can say I have told her to use a double machine for making it a high potency. But here we can make a very high potency when you want to make it, use it for the mind. Mind level, or you can say soul level, or you can say the previous birth level. You can go by using the potency setting, potency scale. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I repeat that all the coupon labs rate to be put in the reverse direction, and the Lord Mayor numbers can be put, other numbers can be put from front to down like that. So when you want to put the Malcolm Ray rates, here you have a 24 knobs, you are able to set 3 different vibration.
Yes.
It is done because there is a 3 machine card which I already manufactured that can also be simulated here other than using the another card. So it will become total 4 card machine. Means equivalent to that. You can add 4 numbers at a time. Okay. There is no any what is the advantage of adding more number to the single stretch? You are nowadays you have a 9 dial machine, you are making it one after the other. One
Yes.
after the other. You use this and then use that like that. But here we can make the sentences here. Means numerical codes are the words. Use the numerical code as a words, make a sentence to give the effect, vibrational effect. For example, you want to make a pancreas, or for example, liver, detoxify and regenerate. Liver, detoxify and regenerate. So regeneration, like that, you can use these 3 words in the this knobs. How we can do means first you detoxify, liver, detoxify and regenerate. So like that, first put a liver, then with one gap, whenever you are putting the Malcolm Ray rates, that is a pakka constant rule. You have to put 1 0, then next rate, then 1 again 0, and next rate. So in this one, we can put the three different codes of so that you can make the sentences. Okay. Dengue virus reduce. Okay. Dengue virus, we get only single digit we get reduce, or you can say, so you can think about it, or this is actually made because some coupon labs rates are more than 24 digit, and there's all machines are 24 knobs. We also want that, same, because those are all thought pattern. Numbers are nothing but the thoughts. You can set those numbers and the used in this machine. Okay.
Yes,
And one more wonderful this one is like a Delaware rates. Delaware rates, how to set the Delaware rates? Delaware rates are always starting with 20 point, 30 point, like that will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that time how to set this?
Point wise.
First digit 60 point, if that is there, you have to set to 6 only.
Okay.
You tell me one imaginary number. I think so. I have a number here. Yes. Yes, I made one Delaware number. I know what is the setting. There is what I have added the Cemento BGR 34 and Shila Pravanga and Siddha Makaradwaja and Vasanta Kusmakara. It is the number is 60.64335. That I have derived one rate in the Delaware rate with my other machine. So instead of 60 point, I am adding 6. Then 6, 4, 3, 3, 5. And potency, again, we are using the mg potency here. The chart is same. I had just shared the mg chart. 4 and 3. What is the potency? 200C. In 200C, what you have to do here? 4.
Sir, how it is distinguished after mm, dot, sir?
Huh?
The 60 point, the how distinguish the point?
No, point generally, whenever you are following the Delaware rates, points they are already giving the points.
Okay.
They write that point. They dot, they put that dot.
Yes, sir. How can we define in this machine, sir? With now?
Because I have found out that there is only two type dots will come. One will come initial dot and in between dot will come. That is only come in the 10.
Yes,
You
sir.
can directly put into the 10.
Yes.
There is no any in between 60 dot, 70 dot, 80 dot like that will not come.
Okay.
Only first dot will come, first digit dot will come. After
Uh,
that, if there is, you are getting, yes, that's a very good question. That when they want to, otherwise, if you write 10, how do you set here? We will take one, okay, we will add one number here. We want to add I will take an imaginary number 60.566. How do you set this? 70.454310 means I told you this is a lot of confusion. Confusion means if this is written like that, means you should take consider that it is generally it will not come in the Delaware rate. What they do give a point like this. Or next number also if it is there, they do like this. Understood or not? I think it is confusing. You ask if you are having doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is confusing.
Yeah. So the number is when they want to represent 10 because 10 comes only in the Copan Labs rate. Copan Labs rate they add 0 in between. Okay, but in the Delaware rates it is not like that. First initially some number will be there with a dot and so many numbers will be there. In between 50, 60 dot will not come. Only will come that is 10 dot. Okay. This one how to set? In I am telling you in Copan Labs rate, you will be like this. Here you may get like this. Even in the Lord Mayor number, some Mayor number also you can get like this. I will discuss how to set this into the machine. Means what you do, it should be clear to you at least. Then come to the consciousness. Now in 70, now first let us set the first number. What I told you, if 70 dot is there, we have to set to 7. We have set to 7. What is the next number?
0.
No, 70. Instead of 70, we have to set 7 only.
Okay.
First double digit with the dot it will come. It will not come 71 dot.
Okay.
10 dot, 20 dot, 30 dot, 40 dot, 50 dot, 60 dot, 70 dot, 80 dot, 90 dot. Like that only will come. So anything is there, you have to just set it to 0, ignore the 0 and set to 70. 70 is 7. First knob you have to set to 7. Okay. Next is 4, 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 3. Next, I'm a 1, 0. So now you have to see if 1, 0 is fully clockwise, you have to set. This is the indication that 1, 0 dot means you have to put to 10
Mm.
and 6.
Sir, where did you set first digit 7?
This is 7.
Okay, okay.
This is 7
Mm.
and 7 equivalent to 70.
Okay.
4, 5, 4,
Okay, 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 right, sir, right, sir. Okay, okay.
3.
Mm.
Sorry, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0, 1, 0, 6. है ना? 3, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0, 6. Yes. 7, 0, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0, 6. You are set like this. Okay?
Sir, till now, I am using yet another method also. For this rate, what is there are other base rates are there. I will just put that rate on the pink box of the mantra software, and I will generate the 336 number.
Excellent. Very good. There are different innovative way you are using. Excellent.
And I'm using that only for that
Nice.
purpose.
Very nice. Very nice. What I'm telling is, when you want to directly use it, this is the
Yes, sir. Yes,
advanced
sir.
machine.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Indeed.
I did the same thing, Namah Shivaya. I also did the same thing.
Yes, very good, madam. Very nice. Excellent. So, but here in this machine, we can directly use the rates without converting in them. You know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we will
Advantage.
carry their thoughts also. We will carry their thoughts, and definitely, Jai Sri Ramji, what you are doing is also the correct. Okay. Now, coupon labs rates, that is, 0 in the last. What you have to do? What my rules are there? Then reduce all to 0. If
Start with the
coupon
last
labs
button.
rates is there, start from the last knob.
Last digit.
Last, what is the last? 0. Put the last 0.
Yes,
and
sir.
4. And 4. 0. 8. 8. Then 7. 6, 0, 3. 6, 0 and 3. This is because you refer the coupon labs, manuals. When you are using the coupon lab manual, they will say like this only. And I have made such an arrangement with the circuit so that it works with the coupon labs as well as our Malcolm Ray. Malcolm Ray, as it is by default, it will work. For Malcolm Ray, you have to always start from the top number, top left, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, like that. A writing language writing pattern. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I have one question.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, when we use mantra software for making remedy, there are so many inputs are there. You have made it. So if you want to remedy, for example, we want to make a NM2, that means blood 200. So shall we set the potency in this with knob also, or just clicking it will take the 200 potency, sir?
Knob also will give the better result.
Along with
it will be default 230 potency or whatever mentioned there. But really what you have to do is you have to set the potencies also.
Okay.
But in case, when we are setting the CC combos, we have to just set it to 30 potency.
Okay.
so that all the combinations will be done in 30 potency. There is a technical constraint. We are going to solve it very soon.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In
yes.
going forward, all remedies at a different potency, it will come into the our output well.
Yes,
We
sir.
are-
I talked to you this only.
We are doing that. But
Yes, sir, yes.
presently, you can keep whatever if you are testing
Uh-huh.
or making them digitally, you can set that potency and make the remedies.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, again, see, this machine again has got a one more features like that we have set, you have understood how we can set the coupon labs rates here, because they are also very big rates and they are wonderful. They are open source. They are given open. They are openly available in the internet. You can download and use. In this machine, you have that option. And Jai Shri Ramji, what you are telling, that is excellent way also. Those are
Yes, sir.
using 9 dial and less dial machine. You put that rate, generate your own rate, and that you use an excellent, brilliant idea. Jai Shri Ramji.
Yes, sir.
Good, sir.
And sir, I usually use one common sentence, sir, for making command. Cure and heal with its root cause.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Cure and heal with its root cause.
With its root causes.
Fantastic. Causes.
Yes.
Very good, sir. Excellent, sir. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Very nice. Then now we have covered the coupon labs and see the main idea is if anything at the zero last, how do you represent? Because all are zero only now. है ना? So universal consciousness को पता होना चाहिए कि आपका कौन सा नंबर के लिए भाई डायल कर रहे हैं? अगर if you are dialing a wrong number तो कोई फायदा है? कोई और उठाएगा, कोई और जगह में उठाएगा, जैसे sorry I am not that person, है ना? तो this is just like dialing a correct number using the correct method. If anybody, suppose somebody ये आपका पास आएगा, बोलो you just set, you read what number you are set, ऐसा बोलने से जो नंबर करेक्ट नंबर है वो सेट वो बोलना चाहिए. Third person who is not knowing anything, whatever dial is there, पढ़ो भैया. So now who will read this? Starting from 6, 7, 8, 0, 4, 4, 0. This number are correctly able to read. Then only we can communicate with a universal consciousness. क्या चाहिए आपको? See, every number is connected with a thought pattern. ये पक्का सत्य है. सत्य के सिवा कुछ नहीं है. Because what you are thinking, thought into converted. अभी मैंने क्या बोला, कूपन लैब्स का कोई भी एक रेट है, मैंने इसको डाल करके, मीन्स दैट थॉट यू वांट टू कूपन स्लैब थॉट यू वांट टू सेट इन योर मशीन. उनको यूनिवर्सल कॉन्शियसनेस को पता होना चाहिए. आपको ही अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो कैसे बनेगा? लेकिन लाइक दैट, सी इन डेलावेयर रेट्स आई टोल्ड यू द first knob always 10, 10 dot, 20 dot, or 60 dot. Like this, like that will be there. So for 20 dot, or you can say here like that. If this is the number, then what you have to set in our machine? 2, 5, 4, 4, 7. मैंने क्या किया है? Something openly बोलने का नहीं रहता. क्या करेंगे? I was trying something. Okay, like that. So it is equivalent number of डेलावेयर rate का equivalent rate ऐसा है. Understood? Any doubt? This is applicable for डेलावेयर rate. अगर टाइम मिला, कोई भी फोर्स मत करना मेरे को, टाइम मिला तो उसको हम क्या है ना डला हुआ रेट को कन्वर्ट करके आपको दे देंगे। बट आप बोले थे नहीं दिया नहीं देला बोलने से नहीं बोलते। बट ये जो सिंपल फॉर्मूला है उससे आई थिंक श्री राम जी इज देयर एंड वेंकटेश जी इज देयर, दे आर ग्रेट वॉरियर ऑफ वाइब्रोनिक्स, मींस दे हैव हेल्प्ड अ लॉट मेकिंग रीअरेंजिंग एंड ऑल। आई रिक्वेस्ट देम, सो उसको अगर आप ऐसा करके देंगे ना, सो
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
हाँ, so we will be able to, I will share the Delaware rates. So
Yes, sir.
that is first digit में आया है तो इसका you can delete that. And
Sir.
wonderful, they have derived so many rates for allopathic medicine also.
Yes, sir.
अगर हमको देखिए कि we are using allopathic medicine in the Vibrionics or the homeopathic remedy or Ayurvedic remedy is none of the problem. ये कोई नहीं बोलेगा आपके why you are using the thought pattern of the allopathic medicine. नहीं, because you are not using any allopathic medicine only.
Yes,
You are
sir.
using thought of it. है
Sir,
ना?
those rates are on what base, sir? The base of the even is it 336 or something else?
They are all 336 only. They actually base 10 rates, but in our machine you have to set it to base 336 only.
Okay. And I have Australian bush flowers essence rate also, sir. Can we use that in 336?
Yes, you can use.
Okay, okay, okay.
See, a simple rule. If any number is having 0 in between, start from the last dial.
Okay, okay.
If it is no zeros in between, you can dial from the first dial. From 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Because
Can you follow in our older machine, sir?
in your older machine also like that only. If any zeros are coming, you can start from the last now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Means to clear आपको मैं बोला ना, if you call some of your family member and आपका बड़े लड़का है, उसको लड़का पढ़ो इसको क्या नंबर है, तो they should be able to read the same number
that,
what
okay.
you set.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, clarity होना चाहिए. हाँ, so like that. Only base 10 rates, they are applicable, base 10 and base 44 applicable for our rate only. है ना? Our rate means the Malcolm Ray rates, base 10, base 44, someone, because in the internet you get, there is a radionic group. In that radionic group, you will get a lot of treasure of information in the base 44 base.
Yes, sir.
So that you can convert into they are great people. They write even the base 44 rate also. So you are able to use it beautifully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think so. What all we have covered: any Delaware rate, Copen Labs rate, Malcolm Ray's rate, how to combine the rate, and Lord Mayor rate, and all this we can set it in this machine. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, please share that potency chart, sir. First, you have shown in earlier.
Yeah. I'll share, but it is not applicable for you because you have a direct dial.
Sir, I think we can use it in Paramanatha Brahma.
Yeah, Paramanatha Brahma is same chart only.
Okay.
Paramanatha Brahma is same chart.
Yeah.
See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what we are doing, we want to use this card in this machine. Okay. Now there is a slot here, card slot. Insert till that you are now able to see the title of that card, and potency 200 potency. Again, to potency 200 potency is 468. This is a 468. You can see in our chart. I will show you that chart. $468, 200 potency. 200 potency comes under the what potency? Potency.
It is C.
C potency. Then you have to set it into C potency.
C. Yes, sir.
C set to C potency and 468. So it is now ready. Card you put and rest all. Suppose you want to combine the effect of the card and the dial. That time you can use the dial also.
Okay. For
You
double
want to use
dose.
the combination. You can say you want to set the Lord Mayor number ka acidity ke liye. Set a Lord Mayor number for acidity and our put card for acidity. It will be a double strength.
Okay.
Okay. So like that. So now same. You have put a card 468. Take a glass of water. Put it here. Then press this button. Now in this one, in my previous model, there is slight difference and that also I corrected. There is in this model, you get the distance healing flickering is little fast because
Okay.
after completion of whole set of frequencies, it flicker once. Okay, then we'll see when like that we are making a remedy with a card in the C potency, C choice, C scale, and the 468 is set, and in 468 we are making it in the 200 C potency.
Sir,
Sriram,
shall we
you
make?
can clear your machine doubt also because almost it is same only. It is little bit of advanced, but all the functions what you can do in your machine are also you can do it here. Only choice of the scale, potency scale is not there.
Yes, sir. Sir, shall we make distant healing through this analog machine inserting card?
Yes, we can make. We can make.
Pulse
So now we'll come to soon after completion of this energy remedy, I will come to the distance healing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, it is gone. So remedy is ready. Okay. Remedy is ready with the card. Now, with the card, we want to make a distance healing. So for distance healing, what you have to do? Set the potency to pulsate mode.
Pulsate.
See, don't worry. It will flicker like this. Earlier, the flickering was too fast. Now it is slow because we have added more frequencies. Like I told you, solfeggio frequency and the 9 planet frequency I have added into it. So it will take a little more time. Now, the same thing we are with a card with a distance healing we are doing. We add some photograph here. Okay. We use this distance healing. We have to keep the upside down. Keep in the reverse direction. Keep a coin over it. It is generally advised and all radionic people, they use the coin. You can also use the coin. We have learnt many great things from our Raghavendra Kulkarni ji. We have learnt many things, So using with when you are using this plug, he is put into the lamp's holder, lamp head, where we'll put a batino. There he is inserting the banana, and he is focusing he is making a parabolic antenna, and he is putting on the photograph. That's a very good thing, very good idea. We learned from him. It's a great thing to know from him. Okay. Then, so distance healing through the card. Okay. Now, again, I have made the same because I have taken something from Paramanada Brahma. Paramanada Brahma say, because I shared my wonderful experience yesterday.
Yes, sir. Plain river.
When I cured myself. अरे भाई ये मेरे को भी ठीक कर दिया, ये जो बनाया उसको ही ठीक कर दिया. ऐसा मैंने सोचा, and that was very exciting experience. I was having terrible headache due to the rain, unnoticed rain. I mean, notified rain. So suddenly, then I took that and I shared it in the group also. And itna fast I never imagined. So within 10-15 minutes, I was relieved. I got into sleep, and in the sleep itself, I remembering that means there is a calming 6x in this. I was thinking calming 6x. I didn't know I didn't go through the full combination. But when I gone through the combination, I realized yes, there is a calming 6x was already there in that. And for that reason, it gave me beautiful relief. So भगवान ने मुझे क्या बुद्धि दिया ना वो रियली काम कर रहा है ठीक है एनीवे थैंक यू भगवान वी कैन से वी हैव रिमूव द कार्ड सो नाउ set anything put into the pulsate mode it will be transferred to the photograph simple
Yes, sir.
making remedy and the photograph is same and generally it is said that 15 minutes of transmission is equal to 1 dose. There is no any in my the advanced machine. We people many people have taken that is card machine with the timer. That is 15 minutes. One shot you can transfer with a card. Okay, here you have to manually switch off because if sometime you need a continuous like somebody is in the operation theater, you want to give them a divine protection. You can give. Continuously you can transmit more for that reason only here there is no we are not given any timer for setting up the minutes.
Yes, sir. It's manual. It's better.
Yes. So we manually we can switch off whatever whenever you don't want. Anyway, okay.
Sir, shall we use the GG numbers also? Grubauer number?
Yeah. So you know Grabaway also sells a similar machine like this and the cost of the machine is 20 lakhs. So I made the same because there you have to use the thought. Thought is connected into it is stored in the numeric form and that numeric form can be used in our machine. Okay, what is the next topic of this? Is now inversion button. Because what is the inversion? Because I have put in my all new machine which I learned from Paramanad Brahma. In Paramanad Brahma, the technology is what? If a Saregama Padanisa is increasing the system, Sanidapa Magarisa is the reducing the system. Reducing the activity, sedation. Like a Saregama Padanisa is tonification. Sanidapa Magarisa is a sedation. Like that we are using it. And this is what used by our boss. Jan Combe, he used like this. So, उनका भी कुछ आइडिया लेकर के हमने इस मशीन के अंदर भी डाला so that what you want you are asking very perfectly to the universal consciousness. Like our Dhananji is there in the I think so he is there in all Dhananji available. Yes. Dhananjay ji, what he did? He
Yes, sir, I'm good.
Yes. Dhananjay ji, can you tell about the diabetes, how you used it in a reverse mode? Can you please tell?
Yes, sir, I can. Hello, all. My name is Dhananjay from Bangalore. Very recently, I was working with one of the diabetic friend of mine who's been on diabetes for almost 20 years. So I started giving him the regular diabetes mellitus and also his medications through, the regular way, never try the inversion. But just on a try, I thought, let me invert it. I just used diabetes mellitus even Combe's 336 number, and I just inverted it, and that this was just on distance, not even physical water or globules. I just inverted it, and what was around 320, it just came down to 118 just about 1 hour's time. And even that person got confused, so she tried multiple times to test, and the number came around 180. So I was also surprised, and this was again on remote, on distance. So it was a distance healing done. So it was quite surprising that inversion can do a lot of things. In fact, I did try on my own. I I had some kind of allergic reaction. So I inverted immunoglobulin E because my blood report had very high immunoglobulin E levels. So I just inverted the immunoglobulin E from E1 combase list, and I just put it on water and just drank it, and that itself resolved my allergic reaction. My immunoglobulin levels came down very significantly. So that's what I tried. It really worked for me and my friends also. So
Very nice.
that was my experience.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice, sir.
Thank you, Dhananjay ji. It's very good, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Can you share your child's experience?
Oh, my child, my son. My
Yeah.
son was. He had this fear of cycling because I bought the cycle around 1 year back, but he never touched it. And this was when I first got the instrument from Prabhakar sir around 4 months back, if I remember. So the first remedy which I did when I bought the equipment, Prabhakar sir said, try the backup remedy, and also uplift program and vitamin thing. I just gave it to my mom. My mom felt very better. And my son, I just gave him just one remedy, just lack of confidence. I just gave him a bottle of water. He just drank it, and the next day he said, I want to cycle again. My intention was let him start cycling, and the first day he started cycling with the support stand, and the second day he said, I don't want to stand also. And today he's very good at cycling. He just rides it the best that he can. So it was really, I mean, it was really surprising, and what I was not able to achieve for very long time, even when talking to him and everything, I was able to just do it in a bottle of water, of course with the machine, and of course with the kind of knowledge that's gone behind it. So yeah, it was really very good experience. That's the reason whenever I try to apply, because as I said, I'm working on a couple of cancer patients and also kidney disorder patients. They are having beautiful results. I use a mix of batch flare remedies along with the kidney remedies and cancer remedies. It's really working very well. I really don't have words to say. I mean, that's the level of results that I'm getting. So thank you, Prabhakar sir.
Yes, sir. Excellent, Dhananjay ji. And that is a fantastic thing. You're doing very well. So that's what I'm telling you. This instrument is cannot replace a healer or a doctor. It cannot replace. But intelligent brain is required. He used his brain how we can do it. So with that, the consciousness, there is, because it works on quantum level. Our machines all work on a quantum level. So for that reason, every individual has to put his own effort, and results are different, slightly different on the even sometimes same number. Because so, but you will get the guidance how, what number you put, how they are thinking, and how thinking is converted into a rate. So, so like that. So thank you, Dhananjay ji. And Sriram ji also, they have many people. Those are there, I give actually 3 month money back guarantee. This machine, I give 3 month money back guarantee, or anything, something they will achieve with what I think is within 3 months they will achieve something great, and they will fall in love with my machine. That is my no idea. So like that. That's a nice thing to why we should share the I shared immediately the when I became all right with the Nada Paramanada Brahma tunes. I shared immediately so that what happens is generally that remedy will be with us, but we will ignore it and we'll search for the new remedies. Okay, and you are all doing very fantastic. You are using in a very different way, because when you share a minor, even small things, we will encourage using it. Encourage by using it, and my sugar level also was never coming down. It was always more than 200, 250, 280 like that. So what I did, I also use I made a 575710 for a loose motion. I have made a remedy for diabetes, and it is on trial. And whoever is giving that, they're getting wonderful results. So
Please give, sir.
yes, sir. With the Dhananjay's experience also, now we can use the diabetes mellitus in reverse way order also for making it. So I
Yes, sir.
used to really confuse in the Soham diabetes they have written. the sugar may reduce drastically. Take care. अरे ये मैंने तो कभी नोटिस ही नहीं किया क्या हो रहा है कैसे हो रहा है. Then I realize now that yes, it is possible. It will work. But it will work along with some physical exercise and the walking and the diet. Diet is the things, avoid sugar. Keep on checking sugars so that you will know if what intake is making you high in sugar. Okay. So thank you so much. Now next level is what else is left? Yeah, distance healing is done and making remedy is done, digital is done and base 44. And now I will just info the same remedy, the how to derive the rate and copying. Copying is also very easy. Keep it here and the potency scale, choose the potency scale. X chahiye, C chahiye, LM chahiye and set this number with using this chart so that and press once, that's it. So it will copy from input to output. Okay, that action is there. And then next is advanced level action. Please do not try that in the initial level. After some time you can do it definitely because the converting the rate in manually. This is a stick plate here. You can analyze. How to analyze here because we have a great choices here to how we can do it. Okay. Now you have to use the person's nail sample, but generally don't put a nail sample like this. Use in some bottles or I have a beaker. I can use it in the beaker and keeping it in a beaker here like this. I want to check his level because I want to see the level of the lever. I want to check the lever. We have many, this one here, common combo detector, Nada Parambrahma. Okay. Because Nada Parambrahma, we have even that code also and all code also. See, we have to see the only lever because lever 1, lever 2, lever 3, these are all lever acupuncture points. There are so many things we can do with this, We can make a complete radionic analysis we can do. It is not a diagnosis, but energy level analysis. Okay, you see, this one should be taken because there is no anything over here. So what is the rate? This is the 336 rate. 264857. 2, 6, 4, 8, 5, 7. See how nice it is because within one row only it is coming. So we have set the lever. See, we want to check the lever. What is the lever strength of the energy of the lever? So I am getting stick here because the beauty of this stick plate is earlier I used to put a stick plate above this plate. Now what I am doing because the same technology is there and it is difficult to accommodate, I have added the circuits from the bottom. So that what are those mainly? They are all scalar coils and the it will interact with your brain, mind, you can say. I already told you how our fingertip is taken as a abdomen. In Abraham's times, what they do, they used to rub the abdomen for the different to understand different analyze the different the status of the patient. Here we are using the fingertip is Domo level. That is you are using, and now I got a stick here. So this my nail samples, the status is 80%. I think so. Yeah, it is 80%. Now, what will increase its percentage to 100%? What will use? We'll use the simple. Otherwise, you make all cards available here. Okay, liver. You can use card as well as I am using card also. So, what are the ways you can use it? Constipation, blood, Sufi. Okay, my cards are not well organized as Venkatesh ji. So,
Sir, Venkatesh sir has made a very perfect in library manner.
yeah, I know. This is great, sir. Okay. That is not kept in serially. That's why it is taking time. Because I have a 10 card machine. All 10 cards I take outside and putting, yes, got the liver. Liver card. Okay. So this liver card. So, so then put the card into the slot.
गाइस तो अब जा रहे हैं बैडमिंटन खेलने के लिए वहां बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है तो घर के बिल्कुल पीछे बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है हमारे नहीं यार सांप की खेल चली नहीं है Mute, sir, please.
Mute.
वो ये देखो
Okay. Huh? So now I have added the liver card and I have added a sample here. It's already there. Okay. Then again take back to 100. Whether this liver card is helpful or not helpful. You can say just slowly rotate. Yes. So he is getting around 90 to 93% stick. Means for this particular person, the earlier the analysis energy level of the liver was 80%. Now it is with the card, with the liver card, it is raising to 93%. So you can either put the card or you can say put a one gap because you have definitely a large room here. You can start from in a second row also. No need. There can be many zeros. No problem. You can add, if you want to add another one, you can do. Okay, now let me check with the liver balance. Okay. Liver balance also I will add into with the number liver balance. 4733864. Now let me use this second third row. 4 7 3 3 8 6 8 6 4. Now we have added the along with the see this was a liver. We have identified the because you have to it is verbally talking to your energy consciousness. You have checked the liver. we have found out it is 80%. Then we added the card and again checked. It was 92%. Now we'll see, sometime it may happen so that energy level is going down 93 to नीचे जा रहा है sometimes. हम देखेंगे उसको. And here the rule is, whenever you are checking any positive energy, you should take this dial to 100%. Then go reverse. When you are checking the any like a cirrhosis or any disease energy and negative energy, that time you should start from 0, assuming that he doesn't have any negative energy. Okay, so now we'll start. So now I am finding a stick at 100 itself. Means after using the combination of a lever 30 and the balance, no need to put the potencies, no need to put the potencies for testing. Okay, then you can either combine separately or make a combination of the remedy. So when we get a stick, you see I am getting a stick at 100 itself with this particular sample. So it is that confirmed, and now what you have to do? You want to douse the potencies also, but in single dial potency dowsing was easy, but here you can use the, what is you are using balance, or you can say lever 30 and the balance 50 m. So you can use the you can say how much is the potency you can use, you can just douse it here also. Okay, so now this lever diagnosed as the energy level low, and we have put the energy card, lever card and lever balance. So altogether we are getting 50 m. You can make it separately also, like lever 30 and the lever balance, you can do it separately, or you can just keep you remove this, and you can, what you have to do is, what was the highest potency among the two, this one, that cm, and this is 50 m. This is a 30 and this is a 50 m. So 50 m is 778. You have to use your own, this one I want to learn from you. You use your own technique. So with that, I learned a lot from my own, clients, or you can say my own healers. Okay. So likewise, so I have set 778, 50 this one, and I'll check once again. I'll keep back. Will it be suitable? Yes. Okay. Now keep back the remove this, keep back and press this button. So lever 30, we are addressing the lever. We have addressed the lever 30 with the card, and we have added the lever balance. Is it very clear, sir? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
And by this, you also understood your own machine, how to operate your machine also?
Yes, sir.
And how you have come to know how to analyze with your machine also?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Okay, fantastic. I think we have completed everything. Same. Our last thing is, how can we derive the rate from this machine? We'll take, I got a new medicine list for the, yeah, it was required for me only. And I am successful in the exporting the e-pendulum also. If anybody want to have the e-pendulum, please contact me offline. E-pendulum is a fantastic thing. I can't say something. I will talk to you when personally. Then I will tell what are the advantages of E pendulum. E pendulum में our mind will not be biased. It is by universal consciousness जो चाहिए वो देगा. Just like artificial intelligence. So now it is done. I am keeping it aside. Set everything to 0, all to 0. Everything to 0, 0, 0. Okay, everything to 0. Now I want to find out everybody can note it down. This is the Fodor-Muller specific number 12. This is used for bronchitis. Okay, chest congestion, bronchitis, it can be used. This is the tablet formula. There are two formulas. One is pill formula and there is another tablet formula. I just received it. For deriving the rate only, I purchased this. And you can do this, the energy imprinting by two ways. You can keep this as sample and copy and give. Just keep it here. Use for copying. What is the principle? Whatever the material you are having in the in well should be in the same in the out well. Okay. Now, but I want to derive the rate. For deriving the rate, now again go to the last knob. Because here we have lot many knobs. You can take it to 9, 10 also. This particular Fodor-Muller specific number 12 used for bronchitis. How many digits I have to derive? Is it 10? When I get a stick, it is as good as saying yes. 9, 8. Let me come this side so that it is visible. Is it 8? Is it 7? Yes. I am getting stick at 7. So we will keep this at 7 and start from first one. Okay. Rotate, 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 rotate. 3 times you have to do and shift to next number. Yeah. We will keep it there and I will tell you what is the importance of 1008 and base 336. Now next knob. Yes, 8. Third knob. ये कहीं भी स्टिक आ सकता है, उसके लिए बॉदर मत करना. Don't worry. Wherever you get stick, that is the number. We don't have any love towards one particular number. It can be anywhere. So now 6 digit over and the last digit for this. Okay. Now this is we have derived the rate for this particular number, this remedy. And now let us see what is the rate. I will focus it little bit. Here you see, is it visible to you? This is crossed 5. This is crossed 5. Okay. Now, so let us now note the outer dial number. What is the outer dial number here? I will note it down. I will note it down. That is number 24. So I'll put it here only back. I think so. You believe me, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, first knob is set at, the first is at 24. You have to take two double-digit number and 35. 20 and 5. 05. You have to write in double digit. And 8. 08. You write it into double digit so that you will not have a confusion. And 17. You have to see from the top to avoid parallax error. It is 17. And the last number is, it is 04. Okay. Now, this is the base 1008 rate. Sri Ramji,
Yes, sir.
can you set this 1008 in your machine?
No, sir.
You don't have base 44 in your machine.
Base 44 is there, sir. Yes, sir.
Base 44 is there, then you can set this number.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have to use the outer dial, set your machine to base 336, set the machine to 336 and no, you should not set into 44. You should set into 336 and set this number.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
24, just all of you note down and test the result. 24, 35, 20, 05, 08, 17 and 04. This is 1008 rate because it is more accurate than base 336 invented by me only. Now we will find out what is the base 336 rate. Now it is base 1008 rate. Now base 336, you just see knob has crossed 5, then take it as a 6. Now 35, it is 8.
No, sir. In my machine, base 44 is not there, sir.
Not there, okay. You can use the base 336 rate.
Okay.
6, 8, and it is already crossed 4, that is means 5, and 1, and it is just about to touch 2, so it is 2, and 4, and 1. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
base 336 rate for this is 6, 8, 5,
1 to 4.
1, 2, 4, 1. Now you all are having the Paramanatha Brahma software. You are all purchased Paramanatha Brahma software. So I will give you the Paramanatha Brahma code also for this, for the bronchitis made by, because see, it will not work for all the bronchitis. Whatever remedy they have added into this tablet, that only will be, that effect only will be there in the bronchitis. Generally, our team, what they are thinking, if there is a name is there, diabetes is there, whatever is there in the diabetes, all diabetes we should cure. No. In diabetes, that diabetes mixture, whatever they have added, that will affect the diabetic patient. If it is not affecting, that means you have to change the different number.
Yes, sir.
For that is only to cover up the more diabetic thing, we added very different vibration like insulin and pancreas. Like you can refer the 6.3 in the CC combo.
Yes, sir.
In the CC combo 6.3 is the diabetes. In that one, what all they have added, how they have covered up, even including the chakras, including the gems, and including the meridians they have added. You can refer that. So we can say that is they have added everything. So if you don't have much time for analysis, you can directly dial that number and give.
Sir, shall I tell Nada Brahma code for this, sir?
That's what I am telling you. Now, 6 is 1, 6
Sir,
1,
sir, 6182 53
53,
1424
1424, perfect.
4617
46,
17.
perfect, sir. You have become,
Thank you,
many people are confused. I will ask Sri Ramji. Okay, very nice, Sri Ram, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, likewise, you can convert this. How can we represent this dials into a numeric code? That also is there because we have a limitation. What is the limitation? Only Nada Brahma code we can only do up to 9 digit only. Like suppose we are getting more digit here, they can't be converted into a Nada Brahma code. We have to search something else. We have to use this something else. Earlier technology I should use. Now I think so it is understood how to derive the rate.
Yes, sir.
How to derive the rate and the what potency they are using it, that the same potency we can use. So generally it is believed that they have converted the formula specifics are nothing but the electro-homeopathic remedies, but they have not disclosed what is there written on the what is there it is that they have added, they have not disclosed. And some remedies are written on the box, but which are not true as per their own publications. Okay, so I think I covered everything. I took your healthy time and even festival time. I'm extremely sorry because today this machine is going to the client. So I wanted at least for them to make this demo so that after that they will ask me, and even this machine is not another order also I have received, and based on that when I start constructing, then again I will be able to solve your all doubt. So I think so I cleared almost all the functions of this machine, and this potency dial should be always used with the chart. You have to see whether it is a C or a X potency, LM potency, or a core potency, or you can say KM. The KM and MM, they are reserved for the next level. You don't worry about it. Don't try to experiment with that because those are very high potencies.
Okay, sir.
And generally used for a, generally used for removing the obstacle from the previous janmas. Like that you can assume. Because if it is based 10 mm is working on the soul level, it is going beyond soul level. You can assume that it is going in a previous karmas. If you want to erase, that time you can use that KM potency and MM potency, and you can use like that. Okay, thank you so much for wonderful your companionship, or you can say your help. Because even though, because why I know, because all the operations are same with your machine also, so that you will have a revision, and this is what you can do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is what our new creation. So because newly created, I want to show you all this also. हाँ, कि ऐसे भी बनाया। कल आपको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कूपन लैब्स का रेट नहीं सेट हो रहा है, डालावार का नहीं हो रहा है, और यू में भी थिंकिंग, और ग्रबोवाई का नहीं हो रहा है, लॉर्ड मेयर का नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा आप सोचेंगे. सो बट दिस इज everything can be done through this. It is designed in such a way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raghavendra ji. Thank you so much for your contribution to the Vibrionics is too much. You had invented very new things, and we learned a lot from you. And even Venkatesh ji sir also. Venkatesh sir also is very systematically doing everything. There is a lot to learn from you all. And Jai Sri Ramji also. Sri Ramji is very, very practical, very nice. And Dhananjay ji, thank you so much. And you have started giving very good results and all. Amme madam, that's a very thank you for attending the class. Harmeet madam, thank you so much. Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
You all
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Happy Ugadi, Happy New Year Day from our side. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Nice.
Thank
Happy
you.
Ugadi,
Thank
sir. Happy
you.
Ugadi, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.